Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 8.2, question number 9. First of all, read this question. Here, Mita saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Okay. Mita saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Okay, so here we need to find the actual salary, that means total salary. Okay, this is saving. Okay, Mita saves rupees 400. So this is saving of Mita, and saving percentage is 10. Okay, Mita saves rupees 400 and saving amount it is 10% of her salary. That means जितने परसेंटेज यहाँ पे दिए हैं उनकी ही वैल्यू दी है. ओके, सेविंग के परसेंटेज है और सेविंग के अमाउंट है, मतलब कि जिनके परसेंटेज दिए हैं उनका ही अमाउंट दिया है, हमें टोटल अमाउंट फाइंड करना है. सो जैसे कि हमने लास्ट जो फॉर्मेट यूज की थी वही फॉर्मेट हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. 10% of her salary that is given to you 400. Okay, इनकी जो टोटल सैलरी है उनके 10% वो हमें दिए हैं 400. Okay, Mita saves 400 from her salary and this is 10% of her salary. That means ये जो अमाउंट है और टोटल अमाउंट के कितने हैं 10%. ओके, सो टोटल जो सैलरी है उनके 10% हमें दिए है 400. ओके, यहाँ पे मेन चीज यही है कि हम पहली लाइन जो जनरेट कर रहे हो, बाकी का काम तो बहुत इजी है. क्या दिया है कि सैलरी के 10% वो कितने हैं 400. सो 10% of her salary is equals to 400. Now 10%. Now percentage, that means divide 100, right? Percentage, that means divide 100, so 10 by 100 of, that means multiply her salary. So salary we don't know, so right now just give the x. Here we need to find the salary. Okay, what is her salary? So we need to find the salary. So right now assume her salary is equals to x, is equals to 400. Okay, now we need to find the value of x. So here we have the value 400. Now transfer this 10 by 100 to the right hand side. So this denominator 100 goes to the numerator and numerator 10 goes to the denominator. Okay, so now 110 cut. So finally our value of x is equals to 400 and 10 from here, so 4000 rupees. Okay, so salary of Mita is 4000 rupees. Okay, so total salary of Mita is 4000 and 10% of 4000 it is 400 and 400 rupees Mita saves. Okay, so here Mita saves 400, so saving amount 400 and this is 10%, so 10% of total. Here always we need to write the total quantity, right? So 10% of total salary is equals to 400, that amount is given to us, and from that right now assume the salary x and find out the value of x. So finally we will get the answer of total salary of Mita. Okay, now next question number 10. Again, first of all, read this question. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Okay, a local cricket team played a total match 20 in one season. Now it won 25% of them. टोटल मैचेस कितने खेल रहे हैं? 20. अब वो 20 में से 25% मैचेस जो है वो विन हो रहे हैं, जीत रहे हैं. सो हाउ मेनी मैचेस डिड दे विन? ओके, क्या दिया है कि टोटल जो मैचेस है वो 20 खेल रहे हैं, उसमें से 25% मैच जीत रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? परसेंटेज में दिया है कि 25% मैचेस वो जीत रहे हैं. बट हमें क्या फाइंड करना है कि एक्चुअल में कितनी मैचेस जीत रहे हो. मतलब कि 25% दी है, उनको हमें किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? नंबर्स में. दैट मींस कितनी मैचेस वो विन हो रहे हैं. ओके, so here total quantity we know, total matches is 20, that we know, total quantity we know. Okay, so here what we need to find? Okay, what we need to find? So number of matches win is equal to, अब क्या दिया है कि कितने मैचेस वो जीत रहे हैं? 25%. बट किसके? टोटल मैचेस के. सो 25% ऑफ टोटल मैचेस. ओके, ये हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ मैचेस विन इज इक्वल टू 25% ऑफ टोटल मैचेस. कि टोटल मैचेस के 25% ऑफ विन हो रहे हैं. सो नाउ percentage that means divide 100, so 25 divided by 100 of, that means multiply total number of matches, that is 20. Okay, now solve this. So 20 5s are 100 and 5 5s are 25, so 5 matches. It means क्या होगा? टोटल 20 मैचेस में से 5 मैचेस ये लोग जीतने वाले हैं. ओके, so local cricket team played, total number of matches is equal to 20. Out of them 25% they win. Okay, out of total 20 matches, 25% of them they win. So here number of matches win 25% of total we know 20. Now percentage, that means divide 100. So simplify this, we get the answer 5 matches. So here a local cricket team won 5 matches. Okay, so students, here our exercise 8.2 is complete. Now if you have any doubt in this exercise, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.